everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Primetime Lacrosse Model 3411RK. Guys, this is the Primetime Lacrosse, which is one of the best travel chillers. This is a travel chiller that's built like a fifth wheel. Right up front here, we have this molded fiberglass front cap that's protruding out. Looks a little weird, but you'll understand it once we're on the inside with that awesome front windshield. Coming on down the side here, we got our puppies right here, and they are leashed up to the side so they never run off too far from the campsite. Coming on down the side here, we have a huge power awning with LED lights, and what makes the Lacrosse so unique is these huge windows that are almost a full side of the slide out. Let's take a look at the inside. Coming inside, you guys can see that this is one of the most unique travel chillers to look. Those big windows, what they're doing is allowing so much natural light. 3411RK stands for rear kitchen. This is awesome. You have dark countertops with light cabinetry, beautiful residential appliances and everything. I did say this travel chiller was like a fifth wheel. The price is like a fifth wheel as well. $72,000 MSRP, but at our dealerships we have it discounted to $59,403, and we can get you a little bit of a better price. TV, entertainment center, fireplace here, 4-seater table and chairs. Again, next to these big windows is awesome. Over here, we got a sleeper sofa, cabinetry, theater seats. Both sofas have a great angle at the television. Coming on down the side here, we walk through the mid-bathroom. We're gonna have a great toilet placement, big size shower. Right here, prep for a stackable washer dryer, and then here's a sink, medicine cabinets for the bathroom. To wrap it all up, we have a king-size bed on a slide out. Look at this. I told you guys you aren't gonna wanna miss this. This is an actual, like a little sofa, a little day bed, or whatever the heck you wanna call it, in a travel trailer. Storage all the way around, and guys, to top it all off, a fireplace in the bedroom. Great, so that's the Primetime Lacrosse 3411RK. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.